How to open WeChat account without scanning QR code. First thing first, head over to your application WeChat. It will land you on this homepage. Click on Login at the bottom left. At the bottom right corner, it says More Options. Click on it. And then head over to Help Center. Over here, click on Send Feedback. This interface will pop up on your screen. You will have to fill up some of the informations. First of all, select the platform. Select the reason that you are in here. And then select the category. You have to click on Account Registration. And then over here, you can click on Others. Now in the description box, you have to enter the problem that you have been facing on WeChat. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the things that I have just written. Once you have written, you can enter your registration mobile number and also your email address. After that, click on this checkbox over here and click on Submit at the bottom. Now within 24 hours, the WeChat support will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can open WeChat without scanning the QR code. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.